Good morning, student. Here in the physics 4 mirror formula, we have already discussed something in the last video. Something left behind. Here it is the quickly look at. Here it is the object. Here image, and comparing these two triangles. First, these two triangles, these are the similar because this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. These two angles are equal, so this similar with this. And here also these two triangles are also similar. Here it is 90 and this is 90. So this similar to this. Similarity means what? Sadrushya. Similarity ala pare kon asibo? AB by A dash B dash is equal to AO by OA dash. Here it is written. Question number 1, equation number 1. Again from the triangle MPF and the triangle A dash B dash F. There are two triangles, they are similar again. So MP by A dash B dash equal to what? PF by A dash F. So instead of NP you write also PF, you also write FN and PF both are equal. Because you look at P and F, P and N are coincident, means very small. ये जो mirror टा दिया है very small mirror. So P and N दिले जाके गोटे पाखरे रोइला बले देखा जो. So हमें पढ़िबा PFM triangle और PFM triangle और NFM triangle दिले जाके गोटे. Okay. So now look at. In these two triangles, these ratios. Now compare. You look at AB equal to MP. These two are equal. Written AB equal to MP and A dash B dash equal to A dash B dash F. So LHS comparing these two are equal. So these two should be equal. Edire equal hobo, edire equal hele, edire equal hobo. So here you write always the measures are taken from the pole. Pole to sobole measure उड़ाए नहीं आप. Here AO instead of AO you write what? PA minus PO. Here PA minus PO because always the measures are taken from P. Instead of A dash O, you can also write what? PO minus PA dash. PO, this is what? PO minus PA dash equal to what is this one? PF you write PF only because P it is taken from the measure P. A dash F, instead of A dash F you write what? PA dash minus PF. Here PA dash minus PF. So these are now putting the values. Values means these are the values. PA means image distance. Object distance. PA means object distance. That is minus U because it is the left of mirror. PA dash is the image distance, that is minus B. And PF up to this mark equal to minus F. Up to this mark equal to 2F or 2F. Radius of curvature equal to twice of the focal length. So put these values, then we get what? So look at. So PA dash, PA means what? Minus U. Minus PO means what? Here it is the PO equal to 2F. Twice of focal length. Center of curvature to this one, radius. Okay. So PO again. PO means 2F minus PA dash, this is what? Minus B. This is what? Image distance. Here it is the PF. Here written what? PF means simply you write what? PF equal to what? PF equal to focal length. Up to this mark. Here it is you write minus F. PF. Here PA minus PF. PA dash means this is minus B. Minus F. So this is, you solve this, cross multiply and solve this. आपको cross multiply करें कहता है इसको minus U minus B minus A plus UB. And this one into this one, here it is the plus F into minus U minus UF. Here minus U minus plus 2BF. Here this is the plus into minus 2F square. Minus 2F square. Here you multiply equal to 2F into minus F minus 2F square. Here minus plus B into F minus BF. So both side were 2f square cancel. So now you write remaining part ub minus uf, here 2bf minus 2bf, abf gole kete asla, here it is what, minus minus you will take this side, here it is what, minus bf, or otherwise you take ub equal to uf plus bf, arrange them, dividing both side by ubf, dividing both side by ubf, ub by ubf is equal to uf by ubf plus vf by ubf. On cancelling ub ub, uf uf, vf vf, then get what, 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. This is the mirror formula, and the same format you apply in case of what, convex mirror also. This is what, concave mirror. This is the concave mirror, the real image. Okay, so this is the real image. Now we will discuss about the convex mirror. So how it is happening in case of the convex mirror, you look at convex mirror. So this is the convex mirror. An object is placed here. Here what? Center of aperture 2f o. It is focal. Here it is what? An object parallel rays. After this, it appearingly looking in. It गला पर कौन होगा? इटा डाइवर्टिंग एपड़ो कोने जीवो. Light डाइवर्टिंग, the true light diverting here. एपड़ो नहीं डाइवर्टिंग कोने जीवो, but appearingly look coming here. It was asla बढ़िया जान. Another ray joining, imaginary ray joining from the center of curvature to here. It की join कले, कौन ऐसी वो? Two rays are intersecting here, and image is formed. Image ta formation asla, it is. How to मुझको तो उसी now look at how the image is formed. An object AB, a light, parallel light fell on here and reflected in this way. It गला ये reflect है कि एपड़ो पड़ेगा. How would a ray टी? अब जैसे join करे imaginary ray, this one imaginary, not a real. अब join करे कोड की center of curvature को, ये तीने दे कोड intersect है वे, ये पाकरे intersect है. और image का formation होगा at the back of the mirror. Mirror और back रे. इटा हो जी pole point, pole of the mirror. Okay. So if you draw the perpendicular, the range से n. यदि ये कोटे पाखर level है ना अपने very small because the aperture is very small. यदि ये कोटे point P and N are coincide. Here which triangle similar you look at? In ABO triangle and A dash B dash O triangle you look at now. Which triangle? ABO triangle, A dash B dash O triangle. Triangle ABO similar to triangle A dash B dash O. A dash B dash O. So what happens? AB by A dash B dash is equal to AO by A dash O. So this is, so equation number 1 you put here. Again another triangle you look at, triangle MNO and triangle A dash B dash F. MNF, this triangle you look at. MNF triangle, this one, and a small triangle here, A dash B dash F. Again, triangle MN F similar to triangle A dash B dash F. So what happened? So Mn by A dash B dash, Mn by A dash B dash is equal to, so what happened here? So Nf by A dash F, Nf by A dash F, equation number 2. So I compare this AB equal to Mn, because opposite side of the rectangle, AB equal to Mn. ଏଦିଟାକୁ ଆମେ कंपेयर करबे A dash B dash, सेठी A dash B dash अछि, AB अछि, so these two are equal, this equal this. So then what happens? LHS are equal, then RHS should be equal, these two are equal, so you write from equation 1 and 2 we have. So what do you have now? Get you write AO by A dash O is equal to here NF by A dash F. So the measure, always the measures are taken from the pole. AO means here the measures are not taken from the pole. So instead of what AO, you write what PA plus PO. So you write what PA plus PO, PA plus PO by PA plus PO. Instead of A dash O, where it is A dash O, A dash O you write what PO minus PA dash. A dash O, here it is what A dash O means up to this mark, PO minus PA dash, PO minus PA dash is equal to NF. Instead of NF you write what PF, because N and P both are equal, coincide. It is a point गोटे ही दिवस जो NF बदले PF इट पुट करा PF A dash F माने up to this mark you write what PF minus PA dash, PF minus PA dash. Okay, now put the symbols at the values. PA equal to what U, but minus U. PO equal to, this is what object distance from the pole. This is what twice of focal length. It was the radius of curvature, it was the radius of curvature, twice of focal length. So 2f plus 2f plus 2f. Why it is plus? Because right hand side. PO again, PO 2f minus PA dash, this is what image distance minus V. Here PF again, it is plus again F by PF minus means F minus PA dash means this is again V. On cross multiplying, on simplifying, we have minus UF plus UV plus 2F square minus 2BF is equal to 2F square minus VF. Both side 2F square cot. When you take what? UV equal to UF, take this side UF, it is plus. If you take this one, it is plus again, then VF. When dividing, then you get 1 by F equal to 1 by V dividing by UVF. 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the mirror formula in case of concave mirror. Okay. In case of concave mirror, this is the mirror formula. Now we will discuss the length formula. So how to find the length formula? How to solve? Now look at here the length formula. Length formula. First we will discuss convex lens. Convex lens. Here it is the convex lens. Here optical center O. Here focus, two focus. F1 and F2 are the two focus. C1 and C2 are the two center of curvatures. Here is the object. You consider AB is the object. AB टा होची गोटे object. Parallel rays जेतलो parallel rays गुडा को एपटे एमती गला. Hitting हैला. It bends and passing through the what focus. एमती जाएगी focus देगी आसिला. Another ray passing through the optical center. Optical center through रे जोड़ा light है जो that cannot bend. It directly pass. Okay. Two rays. One is what? Direct ray. This is the direct ray. Another is what? Refracted rays. They intersect here and image is seen here. A dash B dash. So AB रो image का formation आछी ए पाखरे A dash B dash. Okay. First आउटर को दूची AB रो B रो गोटे parallel rays गला focus देगी bending है तळको आसला. Again आउ गोटे आसला इन optical center देगी आसला in this direct pass कला. ये तीन रे को intersect जो दियाला that is A dash B dash. Okay. So this is the image. Now if you join here then we get a perpendicular. Let's say this is what M. Here also you compare triangles. So which triangle? First of all we will discuss about ABO and A dash B dash. So triangle you will get. Triangle ABO similar with the triangle A dash B dash. Why these two triangles are similar? A triangle से तो केमती similar है सिला. एटा होची 90 degree, एटा होची 90 degree. Angle टा होची equal. Because vertical opposite angle है दिला. और third angle equal. ये त्रिभुजर तीन कोण आर तीन कोण सहित समान होची. Then we say that is what? Similar triangle. So similar पर कोण आइसो हम लिखि परिया R रो angle रो opposite टा होची B. Angle से तो equal है R होची opposite टा होची A dash B dash is equal to R opposite टा angle रो opposite टा होची कोणटा AB AO R होची opposite टा होची AO R रो R से तो equal angle से तो R opposite टा होची OA dash by OA dash. This is the equation number 1 you put. So another pair of the triangle you will get. Another pair, what pair? A dash B dash. A dash B dash, this is F. A dash B dash F. And MOF. There are two triangles. So these two triangles are similar because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. These two angles are equal. So this triangle and this triangle are similar to each other. Again, triangle MOF is similar with the triangle A dash B dash F. A dash B dash F. So कौन है इसको तो similar है R opposite टा होची OM by इस same angle रो opposite टा को नहीं डा R होची A dash B dash. is equal to angle सहित equalize angle सहित r opposite होची OF r opposite होची ADSF so this is equation number 2. now comparing these two equations equation को हमें compare करबा ये AB टा जति कि AB रो मेजर जति कि MO रो मेजर जति कि so एटा इक्वल अछि AB and OM are equal and ADS by BDS एट मध्ये ADS BDS अछि so LHS are equal एदिरे LHS equal so this one comparing equation 1 and 2 we have what we have this equal to this therefore this equal to this OA by OA dash is equal to OF by A dash F एठी हमर होची सबले मेजरमेंट गुडा को कोठु निया होची सबले मेजरमेंट गुडा को ऑप्टिकल सेंटर रो निया होची ऑप्टिकल सेंटर मींस here it is the optical center look at this is the optical center सबले एठु मेजर निया होची OA टा एठु निया आइची so it is object distance you put here OA again एठी मध्ये OA dash एटा optical center निया आइची OA dash OF optical center में है जी use write what OF again OF पर रहला ADSF टा optical center नहीं है so instead of ADSF you write OA dash minus OF OA dash minus OF okay and now put the values here these are now we will put the values. How to put now let instead of OA object distance U but this is minus U because left of the length by OA dash means object distance that is V plus B because right side OF also plus F OA dash this is what V minus OF equal to what OF this is F. Now cross multiply them then we'll get what minus U into V minus UV minus plus UF equal to V into F VF. Okay, now dividing both sides by UVF then we'll get what UV by UVF UF by UVF VF by UVF. So what happened? UV caught, UF caught, VF caught. It remains what? Minus 1 by F equal plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. So 1 by U take this side, 1 by F you take that side. Then 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This is the length formula. Okay, this is the length formula. Which lens? This one? Convex lens. So convex lens gives the real image. So this is the real image. Okay. So this is the lens formula for the convex lens. Little later we will discuss about the concave lens formula for the concave lens, how it is. So now we will discuss more about the lens